Light in the barbecue bricks for the chicken wings. It's getting there. I would think that would get the charcoals going. We're going to make homemade barbecue sauce with hickory barbecue sauce, lemon, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, and a tablespoon of brown sugar. A half a cup of barbecue sauce, hickory flavor. A cup and a half of ketchup added. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce added. A teaspoon of lemon juice added. A tablespoon of brown sugar added. Stir and set aside until barbecuing the wings. Chicken wings ready for the barbecue. Getting ready to baste the chicken wings with olive oil. Basted chicken wings. Salt and pepper to taste. Chicken wings on grill. Just brown on all sides, and then the oven. Wings browning on the barbecue. Ready for the oven. We have the oven at 375. Bake for about 30 minutes or till done. Barbecued wing sauce on the wings. Wings ready for the oven. Hickory wings in the oven. Hickory smoked barbecued wings, turning halfway through the cooking cycle. Ready to serve right out of the oven. Hickory smoked wings with celery and blue cheese. Today we're going to be making blue cheese salad dressing. We're going to have sour cream, garlic salt, buttermilk, real mayonnaise, and blue cheese. We have about 4 ounces of blue cheese in a mixing bowl. Added a cup and a half of mayonnaise. Added 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk. Added garlic salt to taste. Stir till creamy. Blue cheese salad dressing.